Let's sew a simple jar cover. Start by cutting 2 circles of cotton fabric that are about 2 inches larger than your jar lid. Place your fabric circles right sides together. Then sew around the edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving about a 2-inch gap. Turn your piece right side out through the opening, then press it flat. Next, sew a top stitch about 3/4 inch from the edge all the way around. This creates a channel for your elastic. You'll also need a piece of elastic cut to fit snugly around your jar. Attach a safety pin to one end of your elastic and feed it through the channel. Make sure to clip or hold onto the other end so it doesn't slip inside. Once it's all the way through, tie the elastic ends together securely. Tuck the knot inside, then sew the opening closed. Finish it off with a 1/8 inch top stitch around the entire circle for a clean, polished look. And that's it. Perfect for gifts, kitchen decor, or organizing in style.